Huawei P9 smartphone was launched in April 2016. The phone comes with a 5.20-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels at a PPI of 423 pixels per inch. Huawei P9 price in India starts from Rs. 21,999. The Huawei P9 is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core high-silicon Kirin 955 processor, and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs 32 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei P9 packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Huawei P9 runs Android 6.0 and is powered by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 145.00 by 70.90 by 6.95 height x width x thickness, and weigh 144.00 grams. The Huawei P9 is a single SIM (GSM) smartphone that accepts a regular SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.